everyone, it's Cindy Owyoung here. I'm excited today because I just received my first box of books of my print edition, All Are Welcome. This book has been over a year in the making, and that's why I'm just super excited to actually see it physically in print. And I thought that I would share the unboxing of my print book with you all. So let's see what this looks like. Get this open and going. Let's see. This McGraw-Hill box is kind of big. Got here a little bit of packaging. Get that out of the way. Oh my gosh. A lot of packaging. And here it is. Oh, my book in the flesh. Can you believe it? It's here. It's real. All are welcome. How to build a real workplace culture of inclusion that delivers results by Cynthia Owyoung. That's me. It's hard to believe it's really here. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, and the color. Look at it. It's this beautiful red with the silver embossing on it. I did not expect that. Oh, I can't believe it. It's real. It's actually going to be in stores for sale to you all starting February 2nd. You can get the ebook now, though, if you wanted to download that to your Kindle or other ebook device. But it's surreal. It's really surreal to see this because I've been working on it for so long, and to actually see it here, I'm truly humbled. So thank you to McGraw-Hill for trusting me to deliver an amazing book. I hope you all like it. Thank you to everyone who has helped me on this journey on the way, contributing your opinions, your stories, your lessons that I've learned over the years with many of you. And thank you to everyone who's supported me on this journey, and particularly my family.